going to talk about a few mistakes that really drive native speakers crazy. And actually, even if we're not native speakers, we can't stand them either. They are very common, and sometimes even native speakers can make them, because the confusion comes often from the pronunciation. The pronunciation of these words is extremely similar, and there are completely different ways of pronouncing it throughout the world, because it depends on British accents, because there are many, okay, American accents or Australian accents, so there are many ways to pronounce them, and sometimes they are written in a wrong way, but this is not just the spelling mistakes, because it becomes also a grammar mistake, and a huge one. So let's see what we are talking about. First of all, there, okay, they are. This is they and the verb to be, there. There, which is completely different. This is something else. So this is completely different from these other two words, okay? Both these words have got the same pronunciation, which is written like this. This is about phonetics, actually. But anyway, the pronunciation is normally, in this case, there, and is in this case, there or there. Okay, it's American accent and British accents are different. I'm Italian, so please forgive me for my pronunciation. But anyway, these are two completely different words. Okay, this is a possessive adjective. It means that something belongs to someone. Okay, their children, okay, their children means that the children belong. Okay, it's not beautiful to say to them. This other word here has three possible grammar possibilities. Okay, it could be an adverb, which means there, over there. Okay, they are speaking over there. They're speaking over there. Okay, there or there, depends. Then it is also an interjection. There, take it. Okay. So this is something else. This is something we use at the beginning of the sentence, maybe. And it is also a pronoun, and we use it a lot, even for very basic sentences. There is, there are, okay? There is or there are children over there. They're playing with their parents, okay? These words are completely different from one another. So please try not to be confused by the pronunciation, because you have to write in completely different ways, because they are completely different things, okay, as far as grammar is concerned. Let's read here a sentence which includes all of them. So, they're having fun with their dog over there. Okay, so there they are, okay, having fun, okay, with their, okay, this is a possessive adjective, their dog, okay, over there, this is an adverb, okay, there or there, okay, it depends. Anyway, the pronunciation on dictionaries always is the same, and it's written like this. Okay, you just have to understand the different task that this word or these different words have inside the sentence. Okay, there are also other mistakes like these that come from pronunciation, basically. One of them is this, and this is terrible. Okay, I should have gone. Okay, so this is the modal verb and a past infinitive. Okay, in this case it is should have gone. But many American people, now don't hate me please, okay, right, I should have gone, because the pronunciation is more, how can I say, it's shortened, so I should have gone. Okay, I should have gone, actually. Now, please forgive me for my pronunciation. I'm just trying to tell you how to write this, not how to pronounce it. Anyway, this is the reason why it is often written with have instead of have, which is incredibly wrong, okay? It's incredibly wrong, because of is a preposition, we know that. It means that something is belonging to someone, okay? Another thing is the modal verb with the past infinitive, which is have and past participles. So I should have gone, I could have talked, I could have met her, okay? Could have, okay? But in any way you can pronounce it, it is always written should have. Or eventually, if you want to write it like this, you may also find it like this, should have, okay, but never ever of, okay, please. This is enough for today, so see you very soon and goodbye.